Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit and configure your list with Mailchimp. Managing your audience settings properly ensures your email campaigns reach the right people with the correct sender information and compliance settings in place. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com, then press enter. Once the Mailchimp homepage loads, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your Mailchimp credentials, so go ahead and sign in with your email and password to access your account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll see several options. Click on Audience and an expanded menu will appear with additional choices. From this expanded menu, select Audience Dashboard. This action takes you to a comprehensive view of all your subscribers and audience data. You'll now be directed to a page displaying all your subscribers, audience segments, and performance reports that help you identify how your campaigns and emails are doing. This overview is essential for understanding your audience engagement at a glance. On the top right corner of this page, locate and click on the Manage Audience button. A drop-down menu will appear offering you several management options. From here, select Settings to proceed to the configuration area. This is the main page where you can edit and configure all aspects of your list. Before making any changes, you'll want to select the specific list you wish to edit. Do this by clicking the drop-down arrow beside the audience settings heading at the top of the page. If you manage multiple audiences, this ensures you're working with the correct one. Now you can begin configuring your audience details. The initial section allows you to adjust the audience name, merge tags, and webhook settings. These elements are fundamental to how your list operates and integrates with other tools. You'll also notice your audience ID displayed in this section, which is useful for advanced integrations and API connections. Next, check on the email settings section carefully. This is what your audience actually sees when they receive communications from you. Here you can configure the default email sender address and the name that appears in their inbox. These details are crucial for building trust and recognition with your subscribers. Take time to adjust your page's footer, which typically includes your business address and unsubscribe links for compliance purposes. You can also modify the subscriber email preferences in this section and add a slug to customize your campaign URL, making it more branded and memorable. Finally, set your opt-in settings, including CAPTCHA and GDPR fields for your sign-up forms. You'll see toggle buttons that allow you to enable or disable these features. Enabling CAPTCHA helps prevent spam subscriptions, while GDPR fields ensure you're compliant with data protection regulations, especially if you have European subscribers. Simply toggle these buttons based on your compliance needs and audience location, and there you have it. You've successfully configured your Mailchimp list with all the essential settings to manage your audience effectively and stay compliant with email regulations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.